one of humankind's common problem, the glasses. 61% of the population knows that wearing glasses can be a pain in the belly. But worry not, ladies and gentlemen, for we have a solution. From the team to the world, introducing iSmart. It has an easy to navigate user interface for the simplistic lifestyle that everyone always wanted. Spectacular. It comes with the latest and greatest technology humanity has yet to witness. Unlike any other conventional sound creating devices, iSmart uses the bone conduction technology. This means that it sends sound directly to your skull. How cool is that? Is that wires? It's 2018. Who uses wires anymore? With iSmart, you just need to slide it into your face right in between the ears, and if you need to play, pause or skip songs, all you have to do is just wave your fingers like it's magic. And to those nature lovers who really likes to go camping and hiking, yes, you know who you are. With iSmart, you will never get lost. As humans living in this beautiful planet Earth, we all have our responsibilities, things to think about, be it our religion, families, or even work. We get it, we really do. The older we get, the easier it is for us to forget things. Sometimes even the important ones. For example, our car keys, house keys, wallet, purse, or even your partner if you know what I mean. Well, joking aside, it is a well-known problem for us to forget and leave things behind. And because of that, iSmart has a built-in tracker device that enables you to know exactly where you left it, even if it is turned off. All this can be done by using your smartphone through an app called iSmart, which you should already have downloaded when purchased, and before you know it, it's just sitting right there waiting for you to get it. Oh, don't you like it when someone calls you when you're driving? Well, believe it or not, no matter how good you think your driving is, it's really important to know that you need both of your hands when you drive. It could cost your life, you know? So, with iSmart, you can answer calls when driving by only waving your fingers in a split second. See this guy? He's a hardworking person, just like you. And before using iSmart, he often missed important notifications while he's working. And now, you can see him for yourself. He's acing all the courses with ease, thanks to iSmart. After you get one and you think you're overwhelmed by all the notifications because you're a hot stuff, well, you just have to wave your finger like a magic wand.